Good evening, one and all. This is regarding struggle. The more struggle one faces, the more brave and confident he or she gains. I am Devi Seshadri, CTC seminar and workshop is my professional strength. My organization name is The Skill Grand. theskill.org is my website. Kaushal Bhavya. This is the name of my organization. This is an Indian name. The English meaning is Skill Grand. Through this podium, meaning my seminars, if one connect, they get transformation, transform, and they expand. So connect, transform, expand from average being to amazing personality. Why average to amazing personality? To realize the sixth sense is for the human sense and human being sense. Successfully, effectively, efficiently, how to make the sixth sense and becoming a human being, an amazing personality. Whatever one does, whatever you do, you be a professional man, you be a businessman, or you be a domestical man or a woman, whomever it is, one should realize that humankind, human gesture, and human being always live in the attitude of gratitude, always respond, and always heal your own self by body, mind, emotion, so that the behavior will be ethical and ethnical behavior, and the behavior would be human being gesture. So, from average person to amazing personality, whatever I meant, this is the basic qualification and basic requirement. So, my D skill grad always taught and teach about this by consulting, counseling, training, and coaching, life skill training, life coaching, business consulting, so on and so forth. So, this inspirational story is really useful and very, very beneficial for everyone's life. And you might be know about this story. It is not that new story. How the caterpillar, the butterfly struggle from the cuckoo stage to the butterfly stage. Is that struggle make the butterfly success? A man found cuckoo of a butterfly. Short story. One day a small opening appeared. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours as it struggled to force to its body to open the little hole until it suddenly stopped making any progress and looked like it was stuck. The man looks like and he thinks it was stuck. So the man decided to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and sniped the remaining bit of cuckoo. The butterfly then emerged easily, although it had a swollen body and small. And it opened the wing. It was shriveled, small wing. Now the man did not think anything of it and sat there waiting for the wing to enlarge to support butterfly to fly. Support butterfly to fly. But that did not happen. The butterfly spent spent the rest of his life unable to fly. Oh, sad. Butterfly spent the rest of his life unable to fly. And butterfly, very sad, it was crawling around with tiny wings and swollen body. Oh, sad, Man did right thing. He felt a butterfly struggling, so he helped. According to man, it is correct. He helped. Despite the kind of the man, he did not understand that restriction of cuckoo and struggle need by the butterfly to get itself through the small opening. Where God's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly and into its wing to prepare itself for flying once out of the cuckoo. From cocoon stage to butterfly stage, it needs and undergo a lot of struggle. Then only the full body is beautiful butterfly with the wing and very much inspirational for everyone to view. And the butterfly also live his life. But unfortunately, man did not think about, and man showed his humankind and helped the butterfly, the cocoon to fly. So one must think where the person should be a humankind and whom and what situation. Simply blankly, if someone does some of the humankind and then he regrets and complains. So it is very important being a human being, operating the intuitional and sixth brain, one can understand completely. The understanding meaning is the maturity. So that maturity helps the average person to amazing personality, make life success and peaceful, live in the attitude of gratitude, always respond. So this cocoon butterfly story, the moral of the story, our struggle in life develop our strength. Our struggle in life develop in strength, courage. Without struggle, there is no life. We never grow and we never get stronger. Without struggle, we never grow and we never get stronger and we never get brave. So it is very important for us to tackle the challenges on our own. Tackle the challenges on our own. And not by relying on help from others. The man helped, but unfortunately, that help is not really a true help for a cocoon to open his wing and fly. So, self understanding, self awareness, self healing, self care, and self can only help self. This story and moral of the story is completely about self-awareness, self-understanding, self-care. Self and self can only help if we seek for support and tackle our hard situation with someone. Definitely, it will be paralysis for you lifetime. So please understand why I am saying the self-healing is very important. Please learn, come and join, have a consultation, have counseling, go for the training, life skill and life coach, so that you can be a amazing personality and understand, completely aware about yourself, and you live on your sixth sense as a human gesture and human being, an amazing person. Thank you very much. Do subscribe, follow me, and join my podium. Make your life from average to amazing personality. Thank you very much. See you again with another short inspirational story. www.dskill.org, www.liveease.in, and www.makemysales.com. These are all my business portal. Please do open the portal and understand more about business. Support each other. I am supporting you in terms of make you to understand your sixth sense and work effectively, efficiently on your sixth brain and sixth sense, and conduct yourself as a human being, and self-healing, body, mind, emotion, and behavior. Live in the attitude of gratitude and always respond. From average person to amazing personality, connect, transform, expand with Kaushal Bhavia, D-Skill Grant, dskill.org. Thank you. Bye-bye.